Good afternoon. This is Smooth Stylz LLC, and I would like to give a testimonial for Miss Susan Bennett, the social barber company. Since getting with her company and using her services, my business has been thriving a lot. You know, she helped me set up my Shopify page, and I had technical difficulties with another developer, but from the time she started, you know, it was nothing but great things and great vibes, and my business is doing great. I've only been with Shopify about a month now, and I've been getting orders in every day, you know, more than I've ever gotten, you know, in the whole year I was with the other company. Great customer service. You know, if I had any questions or anything, she helped me out. You know, good follow-ups, everything, you know, and we've just started this email marketing campaign with MailChimp, and I'm excited behind that because I have about 12 or 1,300 emails that I have just sitting around, and that's going to bring more traffic to my business. So I would highly recommend anybody out there to use the Social Barber or Miss Susan Bennett for any of your services. She is the social media marketing guru. Thank you.